Today we learn Progressive Web Application PWA lead page work. If you have already installed PWA, let's look at Leadrat PWA app. Open the Leadrat PWA app. As a result, now we can see the card view on the screen of the PWA. Let's take a look at one of the cards named Sangam Kumar now. As soon as the lead is selected, we can see all the details about it. In this section we can see an overview, status, history, notes, and document. If we want to see the next lead, we can swipe right to see the next lead. We can easily swipe and view the leads. Let's go back to the lead page. Our next step is to filter our leads based on certain criteria. We are going to click on the filter button so that we can filter the leads that we want. Let's take an example and click on the Assign to button. I would like to see Kalpesh's lead, so I am selecting Kalpesh. Scroll down and click on the search button at the bottom of the page. The leads of Kalpesh can now be seen in the card list. That was all about Progressive Web Application PWA version lead page work.
Happy selling with Leadrat CRM. Efficiency जरूरी है.